So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Nemo. In today's video we are going to look at the Starscope monocular telescope. Okay, so recently these ads have been popping up on my YouTube feed and I just cannot get rid of them. I have cleared my cookies and everything in my phone history, and these ads persist on showing up in my YouTube feed and they are really invasive into my privacy. So I've actually went out and looked at this product. I do not want this product. I don't need anything like this, but I'm pretty sure that some of you may actually want to buy something similar to this and use it for your own purposes, whether you're a photographer or you may want to use it for work. Okay, now just to refresh your memory, I'm going to show you a few clips of this ad. It won't be too long because I don't want this video copyright strike or anything, but here goes.
Lets you get really up close and lets you shoot videos and photos with incredible zoom and crisp images. You can attach a tripod and smartphone to shoot photos and video. The ingenious, a professional nature photographer.
Okay, so first and foremost, what I can basically see is that they're using a robot voice and a free software tool called Vidnami. Creating those ads are very easy using Vidnami because all you do is you get stock images and videos from sites like Pixabay or Shutterstock, and you use them within your videos. You paste it all into this tool and it automatically generates that video for you with the text you type in and also a voiceover, robotic voiceover of that ad. So that is the first red flag. Also they state that the creator is Hannes Grunewald. Okay, now I don't want to go stalking someone named Hannes Grunewald or Hannes Groenewald, okay, to see if he's a photographer. But if he is a professional photographer, his name would have shown up in my search of Hannes Groenewald photography. But no, there I do see other Hannes Groenewalds, and Instagram tells me I can see photos of Hannes Groenewald and follow him, but that is not the Hannes Groenewald that you think it is. Okay, with only 178 posts. There's also Facebook, no photo description available. It's got a profile photo. That's all photos that I can actually see of Hannes Groenewald. And basically this is the Facebook, guys. So I'm done with stalking Hannes Groenewald. And also it states that the South African Privacy Commission, it may be different for ads in your country where you are served, but there is no South African Privacy Commission, and no one would want these kind of tools banned in their country. Okay, because if it's used for photography, why the hell would they ban it? Okay, so that's another red flag. I live in South Africa and there's really no privacy commission. I'm sure the same is similar for your countries. So the website on the ad is buystarscope.co, and then you will be brought over to this site right here, which will show you a few things about the Starscope. Now guys, before you go out and search any reviews on the internet, just be aware that those reviews are biased. Those guys have an active incentive, okay, when you purchase their product, so the reviews will be biased, okay, because they would want you to purchase it so they can make money. Now once you click on any of the links here, it takes you over to the proper Starscope 10 by 50 monocular telescope website, which is starscopemonocular.com. so this guy who runs the ads and actually hosts this website is an affiliate. And once you come over to this site, if you scroll down all the way, you can see affiliate. Okay, once you click that, this will be the page. Now what happens is when someone buys the Starscope monocular telescope, they get a share of your purchase on every successful purchase. Okay, so what it means is, if you are coming over here to purchase the Starscope and you buy one for like $47.99, they are going to get something like $20 from each purchase. Okay, so another thing about these YouTube ads, guys, that you have to understand, 95% of the ads running on YouTube are from shady business people, okay, or selling you shady products, or selling you shady courses that promise to make you huge returns or huge income online from buying their courses. And these guys all have fake reviews, or they pay for their reviews. There are sites such as Pico Workers, Rapid Workers, Micro Workers, where you can pay people from third world countries like 1 cent or 2 cent for positive reviews on different sites like Amazon, Google Maps, Trustpilot, and all of that. All of these people use shady business practices, and they are not regulated. And then you come over to just blatant fake reviews of non-existent people. This is very evident on the Starscope Monocular, the original website of Starscope Monocular. As you can see that they are using all stock images which you can find anywhere on the internet for absolutely free. Okay, so they might be using real names here, but all of these images are stock images. Okay, all of that is stock images. Okay, now once we go over to the purchasing page, you can see what other people say, which is Karen H. Why doesn't Karen have a proper surname? Harry S, Wendy N, none of them do. Now another thing you'll also notice once you come onto the purchasing page, on the left bottom corner, their pop-ups will come up with like this: Charles N from Milwaukee just purchased one Starscope. That is a software which allows the users of the website to give the illusion that a lot of people are actually buying their product, which is not true. Okay, a lot of websites use this. Okay, so you think that this stuff is selling like hotcakes, and you go on and make a purchase. Now the pricing of this product is similar to that of the Wi-Fi repeater. I will be doing a video on the same ad, Wi-Fi repeater, that keeps popping up on YouTube, but I haven't seen that ad in quite some time. Okay, so this pricing is similar. The pricing structure or the sales structure of it is, if you buy 3, they give you a massive discount. Okay, if you buy just 1, it's quite expensive, but that's usually how business goes. Okay, but why would you want to buy 3 of this in the first place if you only need it for 1 phone? Are you gonna buy for your whole family, or does your whole family want to take close-up photos of flowers, or zoom into other people's apartment windows and see what they're up to at night? I don't think so. Okay, although the payment process here is pretty straightforward, I would rather look at trusted websites and trusted platforms like Amazon, because first and foremost, this is just a 10 times magnification. On Amazon you can get much better for the same price and less, and you can also return these whenever you need to. Okay, Amazon will not allow people who sell products on their platform to not refund you your money for the product, because Amazon has a reputation to uphold, and it wants to remain the biggest online digital store on the planet. So they will not allow people selling products on their website to withhold your money from you if you are unhappy with their product or their service. Okay, because all of the products on Amazon are not their own. These are people who list these products here, and they actually sell them on Amazon. Amazon takes a cut from their money, and it gets shipped to people who purchase them, and you can send these right back if you don't want it. Okay, you can check out all the links here in Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna leave just one link of probably the cheapest one in the description. From there you can just search on all the others if you actually really want to buy a monocular telescope. Okay, you can see here you got a 12 by 50 for $60. Okay, and you've got $38 here, almost $40. There's $23, there's $40, there's another $30, another $30, $35. Okay, you can get a way better deal from Amazon for much better equipment, and it's a trusted platform. Okay, you can also see real customer reviews, not fake reviews, not biased reviews with people who can stand to gain monetarily from selling the Starscope monocular telescope. Okay, so right here I want to show you some of the real customer reviews, which show they are all verified purchases. Okay, you can see for yourself what real people who've actually bought the product thinks about it, and that's how you make a decision, a conscious decision to purchase something online. Do not purchase something from any third-party sites which claim to you that their product is the best. Okay, as you can see, all of this is just taken from different social media platforms, all of these. Okay, even this little girl could be a video on YouTube which they just paused and took a screenshot and cropped it in here. The proof is in the pudding, guys. Okay, anyways, that's all I've got. That's all I've actually got for you guys today, just to make you aware of what's actually going on in YouTube and online, and especially with this Starscope monocular telescope. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not done so, click the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell, as I do product reviews and give great alternatives and tutorials to paid softwares which you can get for free online if you are looking for other alternatives to such products and actually need help with some small tutorials. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next one, and goodbye.